What's up mga ka-sticker community? Today, ang i-discuss natin ay hindi naman tungkol sa restoration ng shoes. What we are going to discuss today is our franchise operations manual dito sa Soulgate. Okay, ito malalaking libro na to, as you can see, was developed by FranCorp. FranCorp is the leading franchising leader or nagde-develop ng mga franchising models para sa mga businesses. So, ang Soulgate nag-consult sa FranCorp para ma-develop ito. What does this mean? Ano? Ang ibig sabihin nito, ang Soulgate ay nagbebenta ng franchising. Bakit kami nagbebenta ng franchising? Kasi proven and tested na namin ang business model because we've been doing this for 8 years now already. Ngayon, we want to share the blessings with you all. Ano? Paano namin nasabi na successful ang pag-franchise sa Soulgate? Okay, ikot ka ng onti dito. As you can see, yan yung current na aming workload. 1 month pa lang yan, okay? As you can see, sobrang dami ng mga sapatos na nire-restore namin dito sa Soulgate, and we think there's a very good possibility that many of you will also earn from this kinds of business. So, na-offer yan ng Soulgate ngayon. So, if you have a lot of questions about franchising, you can call us kasi all of your questions will be answered by our books. Kasi kinumpile na namin lahat ng kailangan nyo or mga katanungan nyo kung paano mag-franchise ng Soulgate with us. Yun lang for now. This is a short video about franchising. Later on, we're going to discuss yung mga katanungan nyo by commenting on this video kung ano yung mga tanong nyo about franchising, yung mga kailangan, ganyan, paano magsimula, magkanong capital ang needed, how much you will earn, and paano makukuha ang return on investment. Ang pinaka-importante, gaano kabilis. At saka anong mga klase mga taong dapat ng franchise ng Soulgate. Okay, if you have a lot of questions about franchising, please comment down below or message us, call us para mabigyan namin kayo ng magandang advice sa pag-negosyo.